Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you able to see this worksheet, Priya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I also have doubt in this worksheet.
Okay,
I want to say.
I'm revising it again. Paul takes a health class every day. He begins at 10 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m. So, what is the gap? How many hours gap between from 10 a.m.
Five
to
hours.
3 p.m.?
5 hours. 5 hours.
So you so you will write the answer in the sentence, okay? Because it's a word problem, so you always write the answers with the statement, okay? So for
We are not.
example, if we talk here, you will not directly write only 5 hours. No, the health you will write health class take 5 hours in a day. Got it? Last one sentence at least it's compulsory to write.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we have to only write down only this statement.
Yeah, only last statement is compulsory.
Okay, I thought we
It's
have
up
to
to
write the word
you.
problem.
Yes, yes, you can write the full two
Yes, ma'am.
sentences also, no problem. It's depend
Like
on
a
you because it's
subtraction.
I
but
Like a
statement is
subtraction.
compulsory. Okay,
Okay,
Priya.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
One more I want to explain you. The shopping mall is 1 hour away from our house. If mom leaves from home at 3 p.m., at what time will she reach the mall? Because
Ma'am,
starting time is yeah, starting time she started at 2 p.m. and 1 hour it takes to reach there. Means she is
so
reaching
it
there at
three.
3.
So it goes at
it's
3 o'clock.
Yes, 3
3
p.m.
p.m.
not o'clock. Yeah, you need to write AM and PM also because if you only write 3 o'clock, which 3 o'clock, whether it is AM or PM, we are not sure.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Varija.
At today's midnight at 3 o'clock, we are going at Alibag. We are gonna start going from there. So, ma'am, I can't attempt the class
Already
tomorrow.
you discuss. Already you have discussed your. We have already discussed about this in the HRM also. Mute yourself first. You already informed me, but as I told you that you need to mail to me as well as all the subject teachers, even Jyoti ma'am also.
Ma'am, we mailed. Good morning, ma'am.
But I have not received your mail. I have not received Varija. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I'll
Meanwhile,
send.
mute yourself, please. So, Prayag, you understood how to solve these questions?
Yes, ma'am. I
Any
was confused
difficulty?
that we have to write that fuel takes the uh, class at this o'clock. So I was little bit of confused. We have to write in the word problems. So
Yeah.
you
Now you
explain
are
me.
clear?
So yes,
Excuse
ma'am.
me, ma'am.
Yes, Raisha.
Ma'am, ma'am, in the last one of this worksheet which you have sent, I was
Hmm.
not able to understand.
Okay, last question.
Yes.
Mute yourself, please. Jennifer goes for a morning walk every day with her father. Before going for a walk, they leave at 5 a.m. and walk for 2 hours 30 minutes. They started at 5 a.m. and they are walking 2 hours 30 minutes. So what will be the timing after 2 hours 30 minutes?
7:30 a.m.
Yes. Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
please. Yes, Deer, speak.
then how do we get the answers? I tried plus and minus.
It
We
depends
did.
on you. You can apply any of the method. It is not compulsory whether you do plus, whether you do minus. You read the question and try to understand what they're asking. There is no one fixed method that whether you plus it or whether you minus it. But when you read the question here, you will understand what to do with it. For example, if it is rare written, Paul takes a health class every day. He begins at 10 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m. So how long is the health class? So by reading this, if you are clear that you need to find out how many hours he had worked.
Ma'am,
It's
what
5 hours.
held class?
What?
What is held class?
Health class, they going for the health club for exercise. Got it, Deer? There is no fixed rule that whether you multiply or minus or subtract. No. You try to understand the language of the question and find the answer. Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bhakti, mute yourself now. I'm going to start today's topic now, students. So, students, you know that in 12-hour clock time, we write AM and PM. Yes or no? Because every number is coming 2 times. Yes. If I say 9 o'clock, will you able to understand I am talking about which 9 o'clock? I'm talking about AM or PM. You will not understood if I will not use. Yes. Yes, students.
Yes, ma'am.
Ansel, please turn on your camera. Deer, turn on. Kavishya, turn on your camera, please. Every day telling you to turn on camera, it's very difficult, students. Very much difficult. Hansel, I'm going to remove you now. No need to sit simply in the class. So now I'm going to start the today's class as I already asked few questions from you. That, for example, if we are learning about the time, right? For example, if I say 9 o'clock, simply saying 9 o'clock, will you able to understand that which 9 o'clock I'm talking about? Whether I'm talking about morning 9 o'clock or I'm talking about evening 9 o'clock or night 9 o'clock? No, you will not able to understand. Yes. So until and unless I will not use AM and PM, it is very difficult for anyone to understand the timing in the 12-hour clock time. To avoid this confusion about AM and PM, the railway station, airports, hospitals, bank offices, many places we use digital clock, which is called 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock is the clock where there no use of AM and PM. Understood? Where they are not using AM and PM, the timing they show in the 4 digits. First 2 digits are for the hours and the second 2 digits are for the minutes. If the timing, this clock is showing this time, 17:35, how we will find what time in the 12-hour clock time?
Ma'am, I know you. Ma'am, you.
I know everyone
12:35.
knows. I know everyone knows. You all are great, but let me revise it from the beginning so that everyone can understand. Rishik Bajaj, you have joined 5 minutes late. Children, you are joining late in the class, and which is very difficult for you, not for me. Okay, because I will start the class on time. So you find this time, and you find at the places, railway station, you find this kind of watch which shows 24-hour clock time.
Yes,
At airports, hospitals,
Yes,
any
ma'am.
other places you have seen? If you have experience, you can name it.
Ma'am, 5:35.
I'm asking which other places you have seen this type of a clock.
Ma'am, bus stop.
Bus stop, very good. Yes.
Railway station.
Okay, railway stations
Ma'am,
and
at our home sometimes we have this type
okay,
of.
you have at home also, and
Ma'am, I also have at home.
some have in mobiles also. Yes or no?
Ma'am, I have
Mobiles also.
also. Ma'am, I have this
Okay.
Ma'am, my tablet
Okay,
also.
now tablets also. Mute yourself. Very good. Now, अगर आपको ये टाइम
Ma'am, also in laptops.
also in laptops, if you will not, if you don't know how to read this time, you will face the difficulty. So I will tell you what is the difference between 12-hour clock time and the 24-hour clock time.
Ma'am, I know this 17 and 16 clock.
Yes, very good. So I'm going to present the screen, and this is not 17 and 13 clock, it's a 24-hour clock.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to present the screen and I'll show you the timing here. Is it visible to you all?
Ma'am, one
Yes,
big
ma'am.
circle
Yeah, one big.
is
Wait a minute. Let me start this. Okay. Can you all see this table? Wait. These are the 12-hour clock time. Then this is also 12-hour. This is the 24-hour clock. You can see this way.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
yes,
Conversion.
ma'am.
Now we will learn how to convert the 12-hour clock time into 24 and 24-hour clock time into 12 hour. Mute yourself, please.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Please let me clear this and then speak. Okay. Now
I
start
just,
from.
ma'am, you showed this clock at the same clock as at my nanny house.
Okay, very good. 12-hour clock time. When in the 12-hour clock time, it's 1 a.m. means we are talking about midnight 1 a.m. It is same in the 24-hour clock time. Till the 12 noon, the timing is same in both, whether it is 12-hour or it's the 24-hour. Only the difference is, you can see here, we are using AM in the 12-hour clock time, but we are not using AM. We will use hours. What we will use? Hours.
Hours.
Yes. And
Hours.
how we will write? For example, if it is 1 a.m., can you all pin on my board screen and see that I'm writing on the board also? 1 a.m. How you will write 1 a.m. in 24-hour clock time? It is
1
compulsory to
hour.
have 4 digits. 0, 1 means 2 digits for the hours, and we put the colon and we put the 2 zeros in the minutes. Got it, everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Got
Yes,
it, ma'am.
ma'am.
If you put, yes, yes, please speak.
Ma'am, I know this one.
Very good, very good.
Ma'am,
But
in
let
car
me.
also,
Yes, Prayag.
my car there is
Yeah,
my
I
car
know
there
you
is
all have
digital.
an experience of this. Just let me recall it. Okay. Either you put the colon in between, or if you remove the colon, you write 0 0 together and write HOURS, hours. And how we write 2 a.m.? 0200 hours. 200 hours. Then when it go 3 a.m., 300 hours. So on it will go. But if I say 3:30, how you will write 3:30? 0330, 30 minutes.
30.
Minutes will not change. Minutes will remain as it is, and number hours will be also same. But I am telling you, remove AM and write the hours in the 24-hour clock time. Okay, but till 12 the timing is same in both the clocks. But what if after 12, when it is 1 p.m.? Okay, when it is 1 p.m., it is 1300 hours in the 24 clock. So we will write the time when it is 1 p.m. We will write it as 1300 hours, 1300 hours. When it is 2 p.m., we write 1400 hours. Means after 12 it is, after 12 which number you count? 13. So it is 1300 hours. Okay.
13.
1400 hours. 15 means 15
1500
means
hours.
3. 1500 hours. And once you reach 11 p.m., then it is 2300 hours. But when you reach to the 12 midnight, means it is 24 hours completed.
00.
24 hours completed. So 24 hours will be written as or both the sides.
00.
Yes. 4 zeros you will see in the minutes also, in the hours also. Is my board clearly visible to you?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. If I give you some timing, the time in 24 hours is 0, 0, 10 hours. How you will write it into the 12-hour clock time?
Ma'am, I know.
0, 0, 10 hours. How you will write?
Ma'am, 12,
12,
10,
10
and
a.m.
AM. AM.
because it's a midnight. ये 0, 0 जो
Yes,
है
ma'am.
ये रात को
Yes,
शुरू हुआ
ma'am.
है 0, 0. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And if I say, if it is Laisha will tell me, Laisha, 3:30 a.m. How you will write in the 24-hour clock time?
30
03. As I said, 4 digits are compulsory. 03.
03 and 330
And what you will write? Remove AM and what you will write?
PM.
No, no AM and PM in 24-hour clock time. We write hours. Got it?
Yes.
And if you don't want to write hours, put the colon in between. Understood? This is also same. And if you remove the colon, write hours, this is also same. But no AM and PM in 24-hour clock time. 24-hour clock time में AM और PM नहीं आता. ये confusion दूर करने के लिए ही digital clock बना है. क्योंकि AM और PM only use in 12-hour clock time. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now next is from Hit Kasoria. Hit 4:50 a.m. How you will write it into the 24-hour clock time?
M0
0,
4
4,
column
colon. It's not column, colon.
colon
Huh? 50.
50.
Or if you remove the colon, write 450 hours. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is for Arnav.
Yes, ma'am.
Arnav, 12 noon. How you will write 12 noon in the 24-hour clock time?
Ma'am, 0.
0 तो आएगा ही नहीं. Hours तो 12 given है. Why 0?
Ma'am, in hours या AM PM.
12 noon given है. 12 noon. AM और PM तो 12 noon को ना हम AM बोलते हैं ना PM बोलते हैं. We call it as noon. दिन के समय है. 12 noon. It is 12-hour clock time में we call 12 noon as the. No, we will not use AM and PM with the 12 noon.
Ma'am, 12 column
It colon 0, 0. Or if you remove the colon, write 1200 hours.
Yes.
Got it, everyone?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Next is from Priyag. Priyag,
Yes, ma'am.
11:30 p.m. How you will write it into the 24-hour clock time?
23 colon 30 or 2330 hours.
Yes. And we remove PM and we wrote the hours. Got
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Dev, next is from you. 12:15 a.m. Write it into the 24-hour clock time?
0 0
No 00, no 00 बेटा, AM है. जब तक 1 o'clock नहीं बजता तब तक दोनों में सेम टाइमिंग रहता है.
12:15
हाँ,
and we have colon is not there, so hours.
we write hours.
12
Got it?
15.
Yes. Next is 12 midnight, which is very, very important. Let me see who will tell me this answer. Let me take the attendance for a minute. He will tell me here.
Yes.
ये 12 midnight को हम 24-hour clock time में कैसे लिखते हैं?
12.
Midnight.
Then I am saying the answer.
हाँ, tell. I'm listening.
12 colon 00.
12 तो नहीं आएगा midnight में. Midnight हो चुकी है. पूरे 24 hours complete हो चुके हैं. तो दो, yes, 4 zeros will come. What will come?
4 zeros.
Yes, में hours में भी zeros, क्योंकि hours भी खत्म and minutes भी खत्म. 24 hours हो गए ना पूरे complete midnight में.
Yes, ma'am.
So 24 hours will be written as 00. आप कभी भी मोबाइल में क्लॉक लगा के when you see this, you always see in the night ना, चेक करना आज रात को midnight में 12 o'clock पे क्या हो जाता है, पूरा 00 हो जाएगा. Yes, yes, Priyag. Any doubt?
Ma'am, I want to just say, can I explain how the
Yes.
after 12 it is 13 means 1,
Yes.
14 means 2,
Hmm.
15 means 3,
Yes.
16 means 4 p.m. 17 is equal to 5 p.m. 18 is equal to 6. 19 is equal to 8. 20. No, 19. 6. 19 will be 7.
7.
Then it will be 20.
Yes, 8 will be
9
20
will
and
be
so on.
20. And it will be at
Yeah, so on it will go till 24 hours, and when it is 24-hour completed in the midnight, so the day ends and it will be 0000 in the clock. Got it? So don't get confused when you go to these type of places where you see the digital clock. So you should know what time it is showing. For example, if I show you,
Ma'am,
yes,
the clocks, it is totally, the clock never stops.
no, battery khatam ho jayegi, then it will stop. Got it? Okay. Time never stops. Time will keep on going. उसके लिए हमने एक डिजिटल, इट इज नॉट ओनली टाइम रिलेटेड विद द क्लॉक में ही दिखता है, बट टाइम तो डे तो चेंज होगा ही ना, डे स्टॉप्स. नो. To see this timing, we have the facility of clock. But early days, if the people were not having clock, then also the time runs. No, time never stops. Okay. Now this is the time 11:55. So can you tell me what time is in 12-hour clock time? Please raise your virtual hand and I will ask. Raise your virtual hand. Jania, will you tell me what time it is in 12-hour clock time? This is in digital hour clock time, 11:55. Yes, Navya, tell me.
11:55.
11:55 is in digital clock. So what time this will be in the 12-hour clock time? Will it be same?
Yes.
Okay. So when you write it into the 12-hour clock time, you will use now AM and PM. So how? So what will be the timing then? 11:55
AM. 11:55 AM.
Yes. Now, next is from next child. 23 Kavisha. 23:50. Write it into the 12-hour clock time.
11:50.
11:50 AM or PM? Always remember. Yes. आपको AM और PM नहीं लिखोगे तो आंसर गलत हो जाएगा, और 24 आवर में आवर्स नहीं लिखोगे then also the answer will be wrong. Clear? Okay, can I move to the next topic now? Today I am going to send you the worksheet based on this converting the time from 12-hour to 24-hour clock time. Okay, now next topic is I have something in my hand. What is this?
Calendar.
Okay, so children, till now you can ask me, ma'am, till now we were learning about the clock, then we suddenly came on the calendar. What is the difference? Why? Can you ask this question from me? Can anyone from
Ma'am?
you, can anyone from you will try why we came from clock directly on the calendar in this chapter? Yes, Arnav?
Ma'am, because the calendar also, the 12 months are there in year, and calendar also, calendar like 1, 2, 1 day, 2 day.
Calendar also tell us about the time and dates, right? Yes or no, which is very important for us to learn. That is
Yes,
why
ma'am.
we are
The
learning about
calendar
the
tells us time also,
time
date
also.
also, and the day also.
That is why we are connecting the time and the clock and the calendar in this chapter together. For example, now you tell me, children, raise your virtual hand. Khush Desai. Khush Desai. Hansel, turn on your camera. This is the last warning I'm giving you. Otherwise, please leave the class. Khush Desai, tell me how many days in a week?
Ma'am, 7 days.
Very good. Jania, can you tell me the name of these 7 days in a week? Jania, stop talking, please. And can you please tell me how many days in a week?
Ma'am, can I?
No.
Ma'am,
First,
7 days.
how many?
7.
Can you name them?
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
Okay. Yes. Now, Mohammed, how many months in a year?
How many months?
Yes.
15.
15 months. आपने अपना कौन सा नया कैलेंडर बना के रखा है, मोहम्मद? मोहम्मद, प्लीज टेल मी. ओके, नेम देम. चलो, ने तो पूरे नाम बताओ कौन कौन से. And we are counting. Everyone count on the fingers. Then he will tell. Please start, Mohammed.
January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12.
कितने हुए, मोहम्मद?
12.
Now you got it. How many months in a year? Very good. Learn the spellings also.
Ma'am,
January,
which are the 3
February.
extra months?
Which are the 3 extra months, Mohammed? That he will invent, no? Then he will tell us. Okay. So you all know.
Panchar gone will laga then.
Now listen here. Now, children, I'll tell you one thing about the timeline. Yes. Timeline. Timeline is what? When we arrange the activities which we have done. Yes. Someone is saying, ma'am, in between. You want to tell me something?
Yes.
Yes, please tell Bhakti.
The 3 extra ones are clock, time, and calendar.
These are not 3 extra months. These are the 3 different ways of seeing the timing. Okay. Now we are going to learn timeline. And what is timeline? Timeline means when we do some activities, arrange, whether it is activities, whether it is with the related with us. For example, suppose there was a dog. Okay. The dog started walking, walking in 2 months. born. So there are some activities which I'll show you also is arranged in the irregular way. Please he stop doing this. So आगे पीछे activities है, right? In your textbook also one activity is given. Wait, I'll show you the page number. Everyone can open that page number. Page number 44. Rani had a pet puppy. After 2 weeks, it opened the eyes. So here the activities which are given that he opened the eyes when and when he started walking and when he started wobbling and when he gave the puppies. So the activities are not in a proper way. Which and then when we arrange them in the proper way कि कौन सी पहले हुई कौन सी बाद में हुई, that is called the timeline. Wait a minute, I'll present my screen and I'll show you all.
And my two friends are as English.
Visible to you all? My
Yes,
presentation,
Yes, ma'am.
the page number is visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Rani get a puppy. After 2 weeks, it's open its eyes. She watched it grow like this. After 3 weeks, it's got its first teeth and started eating. Okay. After 4 weeks, it started walking around but was still wobbling. It had a full set of teeth by the time it was 7 months old. So ये activities given हुई, कब वो grow हुआ, कब उसने wobbling start करी, कब उसने walk start किया, कब teeth आए. So these are the activities. So now to arrange them in the proper way in the timeline, this is the way we arrange it in the timeline. कि उसकी लाइफ में कौन सी चीज पहले आई वो पहले आएगी, कौन सी उसने बाद में करी वो बाद में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल here you can see after 2 weeks it's opened its eyes, after 3 weeks it got its first teeth and started eating. और जो कि पिक्चर में लास्ट में दिया हुआ है, राइट? यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am.
So वो
Rani,
arrange आपको, yes.
Ma'am, timeline also related to our childhood. Whenever we born,
Yes.
we grew up and we became
Yeah.
grandfather or grandmother.
Yes, so it is your timeline. No, when you grow up, at the age of what age you got your teeth, then what age you started walking, at what age you started crawling. कब पहले तो आप क्रॉल करते हैं ना, सीधा चलना तो नहीं लगते.
Yes,
Yes
ma'am.
or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And then you walk, and then you grow slowly. Then you go to school. Then you go to the higher classes. First with the LKG. So timeline means which thing came in your life first. Arrange them from ascending to the descending order. छोटे से जो पहले आई उससे बाद में लास्ट तक. And then you grow like the small child. Then you go to the different ages, right? And then you grow as your father, then as like grandfather. So it depends on different age timelines. Now in this timeline we are talking about the timeline of a dog. So after 3 weeks he got its first teeth and started eating. After 4 weeks started walking around but was still wobbling. Wobbling means हिलता डुलता walk करता है ना. पहले से तो dog एकदम से walk करना शुरू नहीं करते. You crawl when you are baby, you crawl, but when the animals they wobble, वो हिलते डुलते walk करते हैं. And after 7 months got full set of teeth, and after 1 year became grown up dog and got his own puppies. This is the timeline. Got it? This way you do the timeline. I'll show you one more worksheet here. Wait a minute. Here, can you all see this worksheet? No, not this one. Wait. Can you all see this?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you all see this question number 3? Rearrange these events in order
Yes.
and draw the timeline and answer the below. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now here in the 5/3/2002 stood up. There, this is the timeline of a girl, baby girl, and she stood up at this. First tooth she got in this year, crawled in this year, walked in this year, born in this year, and sat in this year. So what do you think? Which, according to the timeline, which activity should come first?
Ma'am, 12/7.
Yes, born.
01 born.
12/7/01 born. And after
Born.
born, which activity you think came the
Crawled.
next? Crawled into. No, it is two
Ma'am,
2002.
first
Sat
tooth.
up. This, no, not first one. 2011-01 when she started learning how to sit. Yes or no? After born, this will be the second.
Yeah, ma'am.
Then after this, which will be the third?
First tooth.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, crawled.
Crawl. Yes. After crawl, what do you think? Which will be the
First
fourth?
tooth. First tooth.
Ma'am, walked.
Ma'am,
First
first
tooth.
tooth.
Yes.
Then
But
stood
I
up.
think this is 16-1-2002 and this is 15-2-2002. So I think this should come, no? First, third number, first tooth,
Yes, ma'am.
and then crawl.
First should. Then crawl. Then stood
then-
up. Stood up.
Then stood up, and then
Walked.
walk. Last will be walk. So if we want to give the answers of these, when she walked, so what you will write?
Ma'am, she walked at 7602.
Yes. When she sat up,
2011-01.
when she crawled,
Ma'am, she crawled at 15-202.
yes. But can you find the gap between what age she started walking? At how many months she started walking? Because she born at 12-7 and she started walking at 7-6-2002. After how many months she started walking?
7, 8.
My dear,
9. 6 weeks.
from 12-7 and she started walking
Ma'am,
in this
11. Ma'am,
11
11 months.
months. Yes.
11 months.
So here you will not write the date. You will write the difference between the months. How many
11
months? Yes, 11 months. Next, she set up at. So born to वो इतने में हुई, set वो 11 months में हुई. So after how many months she started sitting? 8, 9, 10, 11. After how many months?
Ma'am, she crawled.
4 months.
4 months. 4
When you
months.
see the date of born and when you see the date of set up, the difference between these months
4
from
months,
7 months to
4
11
months.
months is 4 months. When she crawled, again
Ma'am, she-
from the born, you will again compare to the crawl. How many months? 7, 8, 9, 10,
Ma'am, 6.
11,
Ma'am, 6.
12,
6.
1, 2. I think
6.
7.
Ma'am, 6.
7, 8, 8th month, 9th month, 10th month, 11th month, 12th month.
Ma'am, 6.
Yes or no? And then January and 7. Count again.
Yes, ma'am, 7. I have not counted the 7th.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I am confused. How you know this that much of month?
Suppose you going to school from, when you start going to school from April, na?
Yes.
Until the next March. So how many months you go to the school for 1 year? How many months?
Can you repeat the
Suppose your this academic year starts from the April 2001, and your academic year completes at March 2022. So what is the difference between these from April to March? How many months?
1 month.
1 month from April to next year March. You can see the year.
Ma'am,
changes.
1 year.
April, then May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, January, February, March, April.
Ma'am,
Then how
it's
many
1
months?
year.
Ma'am, 11 months.
Ma'am, 11
Yes.
months.
Yes.
Not 1 year full.
Yes, got it?
Yeah, ma'am.
This way we are counting the difference between the months and the years. So today I am going to send you the worksheet based on the converting the 12-hour clock time into 24-hour clock time and 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
If no doubt, please leave the class. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.